Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm gonna share with you 8 products that I've been loving this summer and I couldn't be without. So let's get started. First product is, and it's gonna be no surprise for you who have been watching my videos, is the simple Micellar facial gel wash. I've loved it from last year to the beginning of this year, and I've loved it all through the summer, and I've purchased it a few times, as well as my fiance. He's been loving it, so he has one in his shower as well. This is a super gentle daily cleanser. You can use it AM and PM. I only use it in the evening after as my double cleanse, as part of my double cleanse. It's a very gentle cleanser. It's formulated without any harsh chemicals, and it's got prebiotics as well, and I love prebiotics. So this is, as I said, part of my double cleanse in the evening. In the mornings, if I've woken up not too greasy, I'll just wash my face with water. Second product of the summer has been the Inkey List Peptide Moisturizer. At the beginning of this year, I kind of damaged my skin barrier, and my skin was feeling really dehydrated, unhappy, uncomfortable. I had flakiness on my cheeks, so I was looking for a moisturizer that was hydrating, moisturising, would protect my skin barrier, and at the same time wouldn't feel too greasy. I had to try a few different moisturizers before I finally came to this one, and I was so happy. It'll help me so much. So this is the Inkey List Peptide Moisturizer. This cream is formulated with 2 different peptides. And peptides are chains of amino acids, and they support the natural proteins of your skin. And this claims to be anti-age as well. And I do feel like my skin is plump, and the small crow lines around my eyes are definitely visibly smaller. But I think it's because it's so hydrating and moisturizing. Then naturally your skin is plump and it just feels and looks very healthy. This is actually my second tub. I really like it. If you haven't seen this kind of packaging before, this is like an airtight pump. So you pump and a bit of cream comes out. It's really cool because if you like to do skincare cocktails, you can pump a pump and then put like a serum or an oil in there and mix it all up and then put it on your face. So I really like that. I'm actually not going to waste and put it on my hands. My third hero product of the summer has been the Purito's Comfy Water Sunblock SPF 50 Plus PA++++. This is a great sunblock, super lightweight, non-shiny, non-greasy, feels like nothing on your skin. And I usually put a lot of sunblock, so probably like a full teaspoon, sometimes more, and still it feels really lightweight. I can't feel it through the day. It's a beautiful moisturizer. Yeah, I'm gonna repurchase again for the autumn season, because in autumn I think I'm ready for retinol again. I think my skin is in a good place. I'm ready for retinol. Retinol equals having to wear 50+ every day, so I'm gonna order another one of these. Next product that I've been absolutely loving is the Aveeno Daily Moisturising Yogurt Cream. Yeah, I've been really liking it. Obviously, it's formulated with prebiotic colloidal oatmeal and probiotic Greek yogurt. I love pre and probiotics. My God, it's a real tongue twister. This one comes with vanilla and oat scent. I like it. It's very gentle scent. It's not invasive. Yeah, I'm on my 3rd tub and I've actually just run out, and I'm gonna go tomorrow and pick up some more. 5th product that I would like to share with you is the Cerave Eye Repair Cream. Would love to show you the tube, but my fiance took it to work. He cycles and takes showers at work, and he always takes this eye cream. I think I need to get another one just for me. It looks like this. Sorry, I shoot in front of a huge window in my bedroom because it has great daylight, and I love to shoot in daylight because it just shows you how I look naturally without any weird lighting tricks and so on. I hope that's okay. Would you prefer me having you know, big studio lights? Let me know. Anyway, so the Cerave, what is it called? I forgot. So the Cerave eye repair cream is beautiful and only £12. I love it. The ingredients are fabulous. You don't need, eye creams are not necessary. You can use your day creams, night creams closer to your eye area. That's fine. I don't feel like you need to spend like 50, 40, 60 quids for an eye cream. But this one, £12, the ingredients are fabulous. It's got niacinamide, glycerin, ceramides, lots of amazing things. It's a beautiful formulation, very simple eye cream. Really, I feel like it really helps for around my eye area. I've been loving it. You should try it out. The next thing that I've been liking this summer is the Hoola Quickie Contour Stick. The first time I got it, I didn't like it. It was probably like over a year ago or something. And this summer I decided to pick it up and just try it again. Give it a go. Now that I have a little bit of a tan, I thought maybe the difference won't look too harsh. Oh, it's a great product. But with this one, the amount is key. So I use very little. One tiny stroke here, one tiny stroke there, and that is it. And then I blend it out with a foundation brush that has already some foundation product on it. So it gives you that, did I just put some more? It just gives you that fresh, warm, kind of contoury, bronzy look. I really like it. Again, because I use very little of it, it looks very beautiful on the skin. Yeah, I actually really like it. I actually never thought I would like a little contour stick, but I did. I do. If you know me, you know I love lip balms, love lip products, but I like it sheer. I like it light on the lips. Nothing matte. I want to look young, plump, youthful. And I've tried out the Nars, what are they called? Nars Afterglow Lip Balm in Dolce VIta. Oh, and my life has changed. It sounds dramatic. It is, but it's not, because this product is stunning. It's what I'm wearing right now on my lips. It's just so effortless. Yes, darling. I mean, it's just so easy, effortless. My lips feel plump, moisturized, really comfortable. I don't feel like I have, you know, thick lipstick on, or that I have to be careful because, you know, the color, or that I have to be careful when I apply it because it's a beautiful sheer color. And this is in Dolce Vita. For me, for my skin tone, for my lip color, this is like my lips but better. I went back to Nars and because it's not like I'm running out, but because I made a dent, I panicked and I went and got myself a mini one for my handbag. And with the mini one came the blush in Dolce Vita as well. The mini size. How cute is that? I'm wearing it today. It matches obviously the lip balm beautifully. What do you guys think? I think it suits me. I really like it. It's gonna be a perfect fall transition blush. Yeah, I'm so happy. And I've got actually a few shades. So if you would like me to make a video of the Nars, what are they called? Afterglow lip balm, I will do it. I've got a few shades and I would love to share it with you and show you how they look on lips and skin so you can make up your own mind. Those were my 8 summer hero products. I hope you like them. I hope the information has been useful. I will have links for these products down below in the description box left for you, so you can find them easily. If you want to buy them, no pressure. I would make a small commission of them It's not affiliate links, and nobody's paying me to do these videos or talk about these products. It's just a way to make a tiny bit money. So I hope you don't mind. By the way, did you enjoy? Oh, bless you, my darling. That's my baba. By the way, did you like my t-shirt? It's actually created by me. This one's called Black Tulip. It's a really cool kind of summer to autumn transitional t-shirt. I really like it. I will of course leave a link below as well to my Pixie Girl shop. You don't have to buy anything, but have a look around, visit my shop, just check it out. All right guys, I'll see you next week. Bye.